Hello, friends. Today we will practice English by describing this picture. Let's start. This is a peaceful country market scene. On the right, there is a small flower stall with a red and white awning and a big sign that says flowers. Two women stand behind the stall. They smile and sell flowers in small pots. A woman in a blue dress is giving a bouquet to a little girl in a yellow dress. They are holding hands. Three children sit or kneel in front. Two boys are eating snacks. One girl is picking flowers into a basket. A friendly dog sits next to a girl in yellow. A cat sits near the boy on the left. A dirt path runs through the field. A vintage blue car is parked on the left side of the path. In the background, there is a farmhouse with a red roof and many green trees. The sky is blue with white clouds. Two blue birds fly above. There are many colorful flowers, pink, yellow, orange and red in pots and baskets. The picture uses warm, bright colors. Now pause the video and try to describe this picture in your own words. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.